Pentecostal Network Penlet Program Clear to te lalpai swaming in Chibai Ule Tungkar Chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in longai thlang u General Sunday School Editing Board chuan August Niriat ninga nikhan General Headquarters Officer kumthar sangni somni puitling zirlai tur edit na anthok kumsangni somni ano pang Sunday School Department changchang thu zirbu te po revise tur rawah manni in mo phur tu ten ma an lamek ani kumsangni somni hiam puitling Sunday School chuan Leviticus shilfiana bu an zirdona zirlai bu hi General Sunday School Secretary Reverend R Vanal Oyazia ani General Shwai to the program General Sunday School Director Reverend R Lighting Puya chuan August nikwa atangni som pakhat chung hian luang pol Kohhran hoten lom thu soi choi moina anneya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei dona August ni som inri ni khan luang pol Kohhran hoten Sunday School Hall an sakthar honna le pathian hne na hlanna anei ngalbok General Shwai to dangte chu jin chuak lovin an loina twal chung Kohhrana hun an mangdon ani District Shangshang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thlak chunzomila North Mizoram District Conference chuan ramlak be pui thlak kallai cholawa kalzel tura ati angin North Mizoram District Home Missions Field tele Kohhran puile Department le bialin missionary aroi lai mekte speaker le tirkau ramtlan te rawngbawltu le an hna thona hmunte tar langila District roite Evangelist H Larin Zwala Zol Pui Evangelist H Lal Mudika Wangmun Evangelist H Zauram Sanga Sailam Evangelist Kela Rindika K Sarali Evangelist Lalian Sota Kortha Evangelist Sila Thamwana North Timluang Evangelist Lalbiak Tuanga Darlung Evangelist H Lalram Luna Mualung Thu Evangelist Rongbol Zela South Timluang Malaysiama New Eden Evangelist Zedilan Mangai Zwala Si Mui Sairang Evangelist H Lanun Moya Bung Chuam Evangelist R Larin Sana Punchong Evangelist Laram Thara Sailo Thinglian Evangelist Lashetzianga Si Thiang Evangelist Vanel Zemoya Fan Ai Mamit Luang Pol Evangelist Ramnun Sanga Roite Kanan Thar Evangelist VLMS Zongkima Serkhan Evangelist R Lalchan Chua Buk Van Nei Unaw Palarin Moya Dampa Tlang Nuam Evangelist H Laldola Konpui Kanan Evangelist Lalian Moya Pachuaw Neilo Evangelist PC Laram Chuan Moya Lui Moy Evangelist Sila Nunlua Puldung Sei Evangelist Vanal Oya Marpara Missions Field Evangelist Isakla Rohlua Persang Missions Field Evangelist Shangchan Kuma Razali Missions Field Unanu F Lelsiam Liani Zomwan Tlang Missions Field Unanu Esther Lalrongboli Bible Woman Bajirung Missions Field Unanu Koliani Bible Woman Kolalian Missions Field Evangelist Larampana Damde Missions Field Evangelist R.S. Lalnun Moya Vongonzo Missions Field Evangelist H. Lalnun Zira Dilzol Missions Field Unanu Kelel Biak Zwali West Pulpui Missions Field Ke Pazona Paizao Evangelist Lalthiang Lima Home Missionary Speaker Evangelist Zauram Thara Tirkau Ramtlan Evangelist Lalruat Sanga Revival Speaker Pentecostal Revival Team Evangelist Laldu Saka Saza Revival Speaker Jehovah Rapha Revival Team Evangelist T. Vanalrata Revival Speaker Apostolic Revival Team Tual Upa R. Lalmangai Zwala Dap Chua Evangelist Kemal Somkima Thinglun Evangelist Vanel Luta Chuvel July ni somthum pakhat ni lai ni khan North Mizoram District chuan chot hunbial Pastor Quarters Muntur Chengnoi Somli Pakwa in Alei Quarters tura le hunma hian SM type in chong leading in kongchung le anwai lama kongpui a an beve ani Quarters Muntur le hian District Shwai tu te Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent Reverend Charpuya District Secretary le District Treasurer Reverend Keladu Sanga te chuan ahmuna kalin sumpai hi an hlan ani August ni khat ni nga ni zan khan tlang sang kaushan de chuan evangelist silal thamwana wangpun khua district in a roimek north simluang vaireng te biala son ani ta ka wangin bial kaushan pui malang na in tha na tlang sang kaushana nei ani he thana in khom hi pastor ke aino na bial du pastor ina kai shwaya upalal fak oma bial secretary chuan bial io in thana thule citation hlanna aneya mimal angle kaushan angte in thana thule thilpek lu tak tak an pehlom ani evangelist silal thamwana te chung ko io in upasi dong velan thu soina nein evangelist silal thamwana po in thu cha nung lom thu soina le foina thu ro pui tak asoi bok rongbol tu thana in khoma hian una nu ramdan moi le angela minglu pui ten fakhla an sa a reverend silal ming thangan ti dam rongbol na hun amang tel bok ani durtlang molven kaushana loi una pa vanram nga ka ti chungin thakalta July ni somni inrinia pathian choi moina an nei tharau bora kal zela durtlang molven kaushana harna le hlimna athleng chunjom zela pathiani kalta August ni li thleng khan pathian choi moina nei ani una pa vanram nga ka ti chungin pathian choi moina an nei hian ra thale du om tak choin rongbol tu evangelist zoram thara district tir kauram tlan speaker man ani a rongbol tu te rongbol na kaltangin tharau thiang hlim ladong lauten tharau thiang hlim andonga siam tharna changmi engemozat anom tharbok July ni somni pani tho channia senior upa H lel chhona ten pathian choi moina nei chunjomin zantin inkhom caution hauten an nei chawa July ni somni pariat sangni som pakwa pathian nia unaupa Jacob ngur sang khumate chungin pathian choi moina hi an nei vele a pathian choi moina nei te tharau bora kal chhozela August nili pathian ni khan unaupa keram hnun sang ade chung chuan pathian shiak thi hnuaya choi moina an nei le bok durtlang molven kaushana pathian choi moina nei hian ra du om tak choin rongbol tu te le kaushan haute impact na kaltlangin bithar du om takin pathian thu thung mu in swangai damna baptisma achang bok missionary pahni chom tu nei thar ani bok ani durtlang molven a rongbol alutte evangelist Caesaram thara speaker evangelist lalngil lova vaireng te evangelist vanram moya din thar unau nu julia dalrem rwati vaireng te unau pa zawman sanga bil khothir North Mizoram District Headquarters Bial Missions Department te chuan conference rorel bo zuin bial chunga member chaklo le mihlate Kohhran rawngbawlna an nei he rawngbawlna hian headquarters kaushanami unau nu JH Saizik pui chu rawngbawla roin headquarters bial chunga kaushan panga headquarters mission veng thang nursery tuikwal nord le khatla sauta te rawngbawlna aneya pulpit rawngbawlna pia lama atul angalengin tongtrai rawngbawlna aneya a rawngbawlna pathianin mala soma kaushantina har tharna du om tak thlengzelin mission veng thanga po unau nu thangchingi te chung kaltangin pathian choi moina nei ani rongbol tu unau nu JH Saizik pui hi kumsom rukting chep to ni in lama apasal shisel lo tak lungle thil dang dang na nei chu kaushan ram tulna awangin a fe chwa san thina a rongbol na in hlut a hlo hle ani North Mizoram District in Revival Team ane zinga Pentecostal Revival Team te chuan July ni somni pali ni lai ni asum sui bial lam chepa rongbol alutin ni lai zana drinking crusade antana July ni somni paruka no pang Sunday school Pauline lang camp nein July ni somni pasaria PYD bultumin lang camp bwa saile ani bok July ni somni pakwa tho chania kaushan pui bwa saing kaushan member zongjong Pauline lang camp bwa saile ani a July ni somthum thole ni lam chip kaushan department changchang sum tho khomin pathian choi moina bwa sai ani July ni somthum pakhata baptist makhur hongin hemini hian nilengin zai khom na nei ani a tlaya roi an bwa sai bok Pentecostal Revival Team te rongbol na hiang kaushana radu om tak choin baptisma chang som pathum tharau thiang hlim dong thar som panga ba ka lali swan he na naw hlan pakhat a ombok Pentecostal Revival Team a hian evangelist Silar Watsang headquarters kaushana loi to speaker ni in team member te chu twal upa wanal mangai sanga zamwang rengdil bial roding liana mel thum tlang nuam bial lalbot saya sate ek aibok bial zai on laram ngaya bongkon brigade chaltang bialte anni North Mizoram District Missions Conference voisom thum pakwana October sang ni som pakwa pathianin hnungber October ni som ni panga atangani som ni pasari chunga nei tur chungchang thirlokin August ni ruk chama dar som pakhat khan district Missions Executive Meeting nei ani meeting hi District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantuanga Chambera nein meeting a hian North Mizoram District Missions Conference October ni somni panga atang ni somni pasari anei tura program hetiang hian an rahman in khom hun hi jing lama dar soma tan ani anga zan lama dar saria tan ni in rorel in khom hi in rinia dar som le achanve atanga dar thum thleng nei tur ani ang conference hong to Reverend Kelal Dusanga District Treasurer opening song headquarters BLPYD welcome speech Reverend C Lianchama headquarters BL to pastor conference a hian thupui chanchin tha hi shir ro marka bungsom baruk chang som pangati mangin thupui te hetiang hian then som ani a thupui soi turnen tar langila engtin nge kan shilang speaker pastor SR Lalhwahima field treasurer Arunachal Missions field tutinge shilang speaker Reverend Kemal Somtuanga district Sunday school director tutinge na nge kan shilang speaker Reverend Laltuanga Superintendent UPC North Mizoram District Thilpekin Evangelist RK Vanalngaya District Secretary Chanchin Trahishu Reverend Sil Thantuanga Director Missions Department UPC North Mizoram District Conference Neichung Hian Zaipol North Mizoram District Zaipol General PYD Choir Headquarters BLPYD Tebaka Malzaya Fakhla Saturin Unaw Nulal Lupui Bongkon Unaw Pathan Chungnunga Narzeri Unaw Nu Larin Moyimau Bok Unaw Nu F Lelshia Chungi Unaw Nu Ramthar Zwalile Unaw Palalwa Digadin Tharde Beise Anni Bok Meeting to a North Mizoram District Bialti Nachanga District Missions Conference Report Bualang Tour Sumle Pilot Tuldang Te Bial Shwai to 10 October ni som ma in District a Thelu Chawni Seti Terelin District Missions Board Conference Chiak Tuk August ni som ni pariat chommadar soma headquarters Kohhran biak in tui khwatlanga nei tur ani bok August ni khadle ni ni chungkhan North Mizoram District Missionary Evangelist Larampana Nathona Mundam dia Missions Felda Hindu sa khwa atangin pathian thulung muin mithar panga in swanga idamna baptisma anchanga Pentecostal Kohhran senglu anni Baptisma hi missionary evangelist Sila Rampana hian chantirin pathianin a ompui hle a missionary hian dam dia thelai ta hui khomin PYD night te man puya items hlim om shang baka zaile lamte in pathian choimoina ane puya Kohhran haute an phur hle ani North Mizoram District Rengdil Bial Rengdil Kohhran Chalai PYD te chuan andina tanga kumsom nga tinlomna Golden Jubilee ni som chung anlom Golden Jubilee lom na hi July ni somni pakwa atanga program tanin August ni sari thleng a o ang Rengdil PYD hi kumsang khazakwa somruk pakwa August ninga khan din ni in August ninga thotan ni khan Jubilee lom na puiber an mang Jubilee lom na puiber hi August ninga thotan ni chumadar soma program tanin Jubilee lungphun bial to pastor Silal Thlengliana na ahonga bial to pastor Silal Thlengliana in khom kai shwai ngalin Upa James Lianmoya Jubilee Organizing Secretary in report apea North Mizoram District PYD President Evangelist F Lalngai Oman Jubilee sharing na le khabu atlang zarbok Jubilee lom in khoma hian Jubilee choir le LED Zaipolten Fakhla ansa a Reverend R Lalthanzwalan Aizol East District former Superintendent Chuan Pathian Thucha asoya tlaya Jubilee lom na roi an thebok Jubilee manchu hian Reverend R Lalthanzwala Reverend R Lalpangaya Pastor C Lalthengliana Pastor Lalpangliana namte Evangelist Laldusaka Saza Evangelist F Lalngai Oma Upasi Vanal Ngetale Unaw Nu Jelan Mon Kimiten Pathian Thucha Ansoi Ani Jubilee lom Pathian in Malasoma Program adwan lok omlovin August niruk thole ni khan Unaw Nu Jelan Mon Kimi Rengdil Bial Missions Treasurer the chung chuan Pathian choi moina anneya Kohhran hauten tharawa hlokna na satak anchar ani August nili Pathian jing khan si phir bial ten ser khan khwa a Evangelist Lelchan Chua District in Rongbol tura ada chu aom na munson angai ta ka wangin bial Kohhran puin thana hun an buat sai he thana in khoma hiam bial secretary Upa R Lelsom Lianan in khom kai shwain bial to pastor Reverend Sila Ramwanan fuina le thana thu soin bial treasurer in ngai shuina thilpek hlanin bial department tin ten thilpek thanem takin an thaliam ve bok ani August nilizana ser khantua chung Kohhran ten hun mangvele in Kohhran secretary in khoma kai shwaya tirkau an thamek evangelist lelchan chuan hun mangin Kohhran ioin upa vanal avan thana thu soina hun amanga Kohhran pui ioin Kohhran treasurer in thilpek te hlanin eledi lamten thilpek lutak an hlan tel bok Rongbol tu thamek evangelist lelchan chwa hi Kohhran member chau nilo khutlang mi enge mozatin athana hun hi an man pui ani Rongbol tu ti ko omchung hiam biak in thar sakni in Sunday school hall sakmek ani bok August nili pathiani khan konpui bel du pastor PC laltan ki machuan an bial chung om missions field rasdali to in missionary evangelist ashang chan khuma rongbol na kaltlanga pathian thuthung mua Pentecostal Kohhran zom thar mithar nu patuak le anfate Pentecostal Kohhran a senglutin lalpa iswa mingin swangai damna baptisma achantir Mithar chung kwa hian member panga omin no pang pathum te chulal iswa hena hlan ngal anni Mithar chung kwa te Kohhran hoten an lom hle ani North Mizoram District Noya Media Rongbol na Pennet Committee chuan August ni sang ni swam pukwa zirtom ni takhan North Mizoram District Office Superintendent Chambara Committee nein meeting hi Pennet Chairman le District Treasurer ni bok Reverend Kelal Dusanga na kai shwai Meeting a hian kumin October tha a General LED Golden Jubilee Conference Kolasip dia kona nei turle October tha veka District Missions Conference nei tur tungchang thirlok na nei ani a he huna he media malak dan tur an ngai to in committee chuan General LED Conference lo thleng tur chu General Lampennet kuta in nga ni se conference document tur ero chu a the anga video le still cover vezel chati ani District Missions Conference October pathianin hunung beram han tur chungchang le athleng tu tur headquarters Belten media na thodan tur du dana neite ngai tu ani in atul anga shwai tu te hena in berona malak chu chati ani bok meeting a hian thok tu in dailo na awangle media workload asan em awanga video editing lampo atul anga midang khoitira loman impact ve po chati ani a heiba ka hian manro lengai tool zwal still camera handycam color printer te po rem changma sabere le chati ani bok committee to North Mizoram District malak na le mason na sang chungchanga district superintendent komna ne initiate te apas ba ka hunrem chang masabara penne ta chuak turin Kohhran rem changa fe chwa lathan program wat sai tha atibok lunglei district rongbawlna na chanchin August ni thuma tanga nili chung khan na thial bial chung local panga a lunglei district PCD shwai tu te chuan campaign an neya bial chunga PCD zirtir tu te pualin seminar an nei puibok August ni thum inrin ni khan na thial bial chunga local shang PCD zirtir tu te pualin venglai biak ina seminar nei ani a district PCD senior advisor Reverend PC Lal Fakoma chuan no pang en kol dan ti thupui mangin paper a presena district PCD president Rongbol tu kelerin tuanga chuan zirtir tu mo phurna te thupui mangin paper a present bok Zanlama district shwai tu te himun nia intenin tuipui di le leite locala campaign hi anneya leite locala hian district PCD senior advisor Reverend PC Lal Fakoma chuan thu soigin tuipui di locala hian Rongbol tu PC ram ngai zwala chuan thu a soibok August nili pathiania na thial khopui chung local pathuma district shwai tu di hang campaign hi anne chunjom le a venglai local district PCD vice president evangelist remrot ke machuan thu soin chamari local district PCD treasurer una pa jacob ram engmoya chuan thu soina aneya electric local ra siveng bial PCD president Rongbol tu silal ompuya chuan PCD campaign hi anei bok August nili pathiani chunhu hian na thial bial chunga local pathum tenen venglai biak ina ahu hawa fellowship ani a heta hen district PCD secretary Unaw pa si laram lo apuya chuan projector mangin thu soina anei bok Zanlama po venglai local biak ina vek hian ahu hawa inkhom na nei le ani a heta hian district PCD senior advisor Reverend PC Lal Fakoma chuan thu soina anei ani Lunglei district thiang himna committee chuan chaktakin ma an lakal meka August ni som pakhat pathiani hian ropui local campaign an nei le ang Ropui local hen district missions director Reverend R Vanal Engale district thiang himna committee treasurer Unaw nu laram lo misai lo Bible woman te chuan hun an mangdona Unaw nu H lal engzami chuan zain rongbawlna anei bokang August nili pathiani pokhan thiang hlimna campaign hiram thar local le trizo local ate nei ani a ram thar local a hian upa r lal room lian le evangelist sila lomsia meteng campaign hinein una nu bi wana rope ki chuan zain rawngbawlna aneya trizo local a hian evangelist PC zo sang lian le upa wana nga katen campaign an nei bok Troy pui bial malakna a Troy pui south muna crusade nei chuan ni som pariat chungzet evangelist F lesang lura speaker manga nei ani nu in August ninga khan kharfel ani crusade nei chung hiam pathian hena lom thu soi chor moina voi ni nei ani a kaushan haute an hlim hle August ni som enri ni khan then hlum lokala unau palal mal somate bultumin pathian choi moina nei ani a he choi moi program hi August ni kwa khan mantan ani a bel to pastor upale rongbol tu ten hun in man chokin hlim takin hun an mang August ni som pakhat pathian ni jan thleng hun an mang ani don local PCD de bo sain August ni som inrin ni khan lang camp don local UPC back ina nei ani a speaker at district superintendent Reverend C Vanel en chukman ani August ni som inrin ni jana tungin crusade nei chunjom ani a August ni som pakhat pathian ni chhnua praise and worship a hun man ani bokang August nili pathiani khan tlabung bial missions board nei ani a heta hian thupoimo tak an ngei to a bial missions conference to November niria ta tangani som chungin tlabung lokala nei ni se anti a October ni som pani atangani som ni chungin bial malang nei in crusade chon pui lokala nei ni se anti baka November ni som panga atangani som pasari chunghian zetet home missions filta rawngbawlna nei ni se anti a speaker atam bel to pastor R larim siama chupan ni se anti bok Pangzol Bel Missions Department phalak na in bel chung local shanga financial campaign nei mek ani financial campaign nei dur hian team pasaria in then ani a team khatzel hi local khatzel akal turati anni a tundin huna team thumin campaign hi an nei to a August Herald ma hian campaign hi local shanga nei chwa vek ani ang August nili pathiani khan thingsai local bel to pastor H lalom sanga chuan mithar pakhat kaushana asenglut Longtlai West District chung Longtlai North Bial Sunday School Department chuan August ni kwazir top jana tanga tenin Bial conference an mangmeka speaker atan district PYD president Pastor S Lalung Nema an roi Bial Sunday School in khompui a hian items shang chang von soirwal group singing thu in chang zona le channa recitation mangte in elna an bwa saya Bial chung kaushan ten an hlutle Bial Sunday School Conference hi AOC kaushan biak ina nei ni in pathiani zan thleng hun an mangdon ani Aizol East District rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thavele ila August ni ruk thole ni khan district officer Aizol East District thiang himna committee meeting nei ani he huni Reverend Silal Englia na chairman chuan kai shwain member antel kim thei ani District thiang himna committee hian thu poimo tak ngai to ani in heng biala te hian thiang himna campaign nei ni se anti a campaigner turpo anrat ngal ani Sakordai Bial campaigner evangelist H Larin Oma Upper Republic Bial Nalan Bial campaigner district thiang himna committee shwai tu te Darlon Bial campaigner Upa H Thanlira Upper Republic Bial Swangpui Lon Bial campaigner evangelist Laram Thara Bethlehem Hengba ka hian kaushantina thiang hlimna chungchang circular chhuani se anti a social media kaltlanga thiang hlimna campaign zawzo ka nei dan tur ngai tua ani a video clip siam ni se shwai tu ten lobo zui se anti ani Aizol East District thiang hlimna committee de hian district chunga chakta ka mala chhauzelin kumin chung hian mun shanga thiang hlimna campaign nei aloni to a heng campaign ateng hian zukle hmam ngei po engemuzat omto in a hlotlin na mu chhaumek zel ani August ninga thotan zan khan Aizol East District PYD Education Subcommittee te chuan ruangman na angin bongkon bel PYD education campaign an nei bongkon bel ti hian ramhlun veng thar biak ina lo thlengin hlotling taka hun man ani a he hun hi unau pa ar lelsang lura bongkon bel education subcommittee chairman chuan kai shwain twal upa ming chungnunga bel PYD president chuan thu toisoin unau pa ar vanel peka district PYD education subcommittee chairman henetungin thu soingai thak ani he huna hiam bel education baka bel PYD le district education subcommittee te henetungin report ngai thak ani a bel bial zai pol ba ka bong kon bial chunga twal chung tin PYD zai pol ngai thak ani bok district PYD education subcommittee de hian district chung mun changchanga education campaign hi lo tleng takin an lo nei to a tuna hiam mabak engi mozat an la nei bok ani serchi bial PYD hnuai education subcommittee te po in August nili pathiani jangkhan serchi back impuya education campaign hi lo tleng takin an nei boka heta hiam bial education subcommittee shwai tu ten hena tungin thu soi ngai thak ani Bongkon Bial Sunday School Department de buat sain August ni thum in rini ni leng khan penial biak ina bial hwapin no pangpwal lang camp buat sai ani a tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi som pakwa an om lang camp a hian speaker evangelist HMS Zongkiba district revival speaker Ebenezer team te man ni in speaker hi team member enge muzatin an troi om ani lang camp ne a hian bial chunga tingin no pangba ka zirtir tu mi za vel kal khomin tharau thianglim chenchel na hnuaya hunlim om tak an manga inrin ni zan pathiani chhnu le zana kham follow program penial bek ina thau hian manchun zom ni in speaker hena tungin thu changa I thak thin ani a pathian tharau thianglim ompuin na hnuaya lim taka hun man ni in helang camp ba hian siam tharle na changmi engemozat anom boka in khom biang in team member te atangin malzai ngai thak thin ani baka pathiani jangkhan bongkon bial zaipol te hne na tungin fakhla ngai thak ani bok Upper Republic Bial Sunday School Department de buat sain August ni thum inrin ni ve khang college weng biak ina bial hwap no pangpwa lang camp hi lo tling takanei ani boka speaker evangelist H Lalhimpuya district revival speaker chumman ani hehuna hiam bial chunga tengin mi som kwa vel kal khomin speaker hi team member ten antroi ombok ani follow program pathiani zan thengkhan man chunjom ani a siam tharle na chang engemozat omin tharau thiang hlim mi som panga in andong thar ani August ni som inrin ni hian Trump wi bial man veng ko shana senior upa VL siamadi chung kwa chuan pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina nein kaushan ten hlim takin hun an mang speaker evangelist ke vanal dikatu pan ni in revival crusade an nei chomek zel ani Trump wi veng thar kaushana po upa HC sangloi de chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina hi an nei boka speaker Reverend R Lianzama district missions director man ni in pathian tharau thiang hlim chenchil na hnuai hlim takin hun an mang ani zemabok bial zemabok vengpuya po unau nu zoram pari te chung kwa chuan August ni som inri ni hian pathian choi moina an neya hlim takin kaushan ten hun an mang ani zemabok vengpui kaushana hian August ni sari ni lai zana tangkhan revival crusade nei chunjom le ni in speaker evangelist H Lalhimpuya an mang ani Trump wi bial Trump wi kaushana August ni som pasari tho zran zana tanga ni som pariat pathiani zan thleng hian revival crusade nei ani dona speaker bial du pastor Reverend KVL mangai kima an mang don ani bongkon bial PYD te buat sain August ni som pangani za ninga zana tanga pathiani zan thleng hian penial biak in a revival crusade hi nei ani don boka speaker unau nu len mangai zwali Bible women mawbok an mang don ani Bongkon bial chunga preaching point Ramdun Sports Complex vengthar hmuna August nili pathiani khan chung ko khat member pali de chu kaushana senglu anni ngau pa bial PYD de chu kumchan ve bial board in rohman na alo siam to angin August ni khata tonga ninga chung khan te khang biak in sakna thokin work camp anneya he huna hian member enge muzat thok chuakin bel to pastor ke vanal himpuya po in atel pui boka te khang biak in sakna hi chunjom zel tura rohman ani July ni somni pasari inri ni khan thingsul thia bial Sunday School bus sain tlang nuam biak ina retreat lotling takane ani a resource person a unau nu laram liani sailo district LAD treasurer le bial to pastor Reverend Rauping liana temman anni retreat thupuya hian general Sunday School kumpuan kan fate ichan himang u ti chuman ani a bial chungna pang Sunday School baga Sunday School zirti tu te tana bwa sai ni in resource person te rawngbawlna an hlokpuin zong changtlak an ti hle ani August ni khat ni nga ni khan thingsul thia kaushana no panglang camp hlotling takane ani boka speaker evangelist Vanelra sakamman ani lang camp a hian mi somli lutin tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi pasari an oma thingsul thia hian evangelist Vanelra sakale achian ten rawngbawlna an nei meka home crusade mangte in rawngbawlna kalpui mek ni in kaushan hauten an hlimpuin an hlokpui hle ani Aizawl East district shwai to the program District Treasurer Reverend Vanlel Filaram tiam chuan pathiani manghian nalan bial khwang pha rawngbawlna nein hun a mangang Missions Director Reverend Arlian Zamachuan August Nili, Pathian Himangkhan District Missions Secretary, Evangelist Laram Zavane District Chunga Home Missions Fel Changshang to in rawngbawlna anneya, August ni som inrinia upa HC Sangloi de Chungkwa, Trump wiveng thar kaushante Pathian Choi Moina anneya Speaker Changin rawngbawlna anneyang. Reverend R. Lianzam hian August ni som panhi atang ni som paruk chung hian biatia ramut program among chunjom don ani. Reverend Simoy Zola District Sunday School Director Chuan Nalan Venglai Kaushanda Sunday School Hall hun ma inin pathian ni hian hun amhanganga rawngbawlna anei ngalang. Azul East District LED Board in Sangni Sompokwa General LED Conference Golden Jubilee Cherdeng na atan Orphanage Home at Hilpek Pek ni si Anti Angin, Orphanage Home in Anmamotak Water Filter 2, August ni Sari ni Laini Zinkarkhan District Officer Anhlana, Project Director Reverend J.H. Zahlunan Home I.O. in Adonga, Azul East District LED Tihan General Headquarters Officer, LED Ruma po Golden Jubilee Sharing na atan hiyan, Hilpek an Pedon Bok ani. Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thlak haule theite ni e.